everybody, welcome back for another video. Today you can see we have an unboxing. We haven't done one of these in a while. I'm not saying it, we haven't done them this year, but anyways, so let's get to what we have in the box. So as you can see, there's a little rack in here from Kane. You can see it is an order from Pression. Let me get it out so the receipt isn't shown. So here's my order. Kane on Wednesdays on YouTube will release a video where he there's like a sale of the week or something new or something that hasn't been available for a while is back in stock, and so he does like a weekly release, and then come 5 o'clock that day you can purchase it. So what we have here, first of all, there's a cute little card with a drawing of Kane on it and just some mentioning of print pressions and all that. There's a little sampler from Scribble Print Co. That's a cute one. That's a new one. And then this is from Scribble Print Co. It's like a when you're doing like memory planning and stuff, you can put these down and make your planner look really fancy because they're sparkly and shiny. And then he included one of his Pression weekly days of the week, and then minimal design planning. So those are really cute. I'll add those to my stash to use. I'm gonna put them away so I don't lose them, because there are lots of little sticker sheets. If I didn't do that, I would probably lose something or an animal would get a hold of it. We had a few things on sale this last week, started last Wednesday, and one of them was this, and it is a precision pen cutter, and it comes with a replaceable ceramic blade. And what it is it's very similar to that slice tool where it cuts paper. What I like about this is it's kind of like a pen. Oh, there we go, I didn't press it all the way in. I do have one by Slice. It's this. But I can't tell you the amount of times I've lost this cap. And I mean, they have replaceable blades as well, but I always have a hard time finding them. Like, my stores don't have them, and then they're quite pricey, so I'm glad to have an extra one. And it won't cut you. It'll cut paper. I don't have a piece of here. Here's a piece of, I want to put something underneath it. There we go. Here's a piece of paper. And you'll see, it's kind of like an X-Acto knife, but it's a ceramic blade, so it actually won't cut you. And I just wanted to get one just a different one to have, because, I like to have multiples of things. So the main thing we're here for is this. I have a Hobonichi from 2016, and I think I have one from the year before somewhere. And I have a Pression weeks that I haven't used yet. And my mother and mother-in-law have Pression, Hobonichi weeks, or a weekly traveler's notebook in this kind of a metallic sparkly blue. It was one from Kane at Pression. I got them for them last Christmas maybe, and then made some calendars for them for it, and all I did was take my personal size inserts, and because it'll fit personal size inserts. because the Hobonichi Weeks is the same width as a personal size planner. The only thing is it's a little bit taller. It's 7.4 tall instead of 6.75 tall. So I decided to order one for myself, and oh, how pretty. So this is a vegan leather, and it really kind of feels like leather. Here, we'll get the bag out of the way. And that, so you can see this. Sorry, there's a cat taking up most of the table this morning. But you can see it looks and feels like a leather, but it's not. And it has this really nice edging to it. But it has 2 elastics. It has a back pocket here, a card pocket, and then the crisscross pockets, kind of like what Foxy Fix used to have, and then another pocket here. And you can fit a Hobonichi Weeks in here like this, and you'll see there's a little bit of room, and that's because the Pression Weeks is a little bit, just a smidge taller because of the cover. And I don't know, will it fit the cover? It will fit the hard cover or the plastic cover if you like to have the plastic cover on. So it's wide, it's tall enough to fit that. I've never been a fan for putting a plastic cover in a notebook cover like this. To me, that seems, I don't know, a little overkill. But the reason that we're also here is I made some inserts. One of them is available on my Patreon right now, which I will leave a link in the description box below. Patrons get a variety of different digital downloads each month from covers. This is one of my covers, and this is actually the one that you get, this one of the 4 or 5 that you get this month. I thought it was a really nice cover. This month my patrons got, depending on your tier, this cover and among many other covers in the passport size, pocket TN, A6 TN, Weeks, B6 Slim, B6, and the standard Midori. So there's like 6 sizes: passport, pocket, A6, B6 Slim, Weeks, B6, standard size. So 7 sizes that you get depending on your tier. You know, certain tiers get certain things. And then there were like planning stickers and washi strips of this design and other designs. And then another thing that all of the patrons got is my dot grid insert for the weeks. So if you're not sure about a Hobonichi Weeks and you want to get a Hobonichi Weeks, you know, come join my, all tiers got this. So minimum of $5, maximum of $10, you would get a Hobonichi Weeks digital download for my dot grid and for the covers, and also you'd get passport and I think pocket TN for that $5 tier. So you get that, plus you would also get the stickers and all that fun stuff. So this is one thing that I created, and I made another one because it's a black cover, so I thought, you know, a little bit of color and black. And then this is something new that I'm still working on. It is a monthly calendar from August of 2022 to December of 2023. It has the dot grid from here, but then this is a new design of mine, a week on a page with dot grid next to it. And this is what I'm going to be using for keeping track of my teaching days at the 3 universities that I'm at. So I've got this through the end of next year, and a bunch of dot grid at the back, just to keep track of my teaching days. So let's see. Oh, nice. So there's one insert. Here's this insert. And then here is another insert. And the reason, you know, I suggest, you know, printing an insert and trying it, you know, $5 for me, or just making your own blank insert the size. You don't have to join my Patreon. Seeing if you even like the size will let you know that, well, if I don't like the size as a notebook, am I gonna like it as a planner? You know, is this gonna be the right size for me? Wow. It's 2016, but I did all of this stuff in, I want to say 2019, maybe? I don't know. So, you know, if you don't like it as a notebook, are you gonna like it as a planner? Also, my grid, my dot grid, is just a little bit larger than their grid, and the grid in this is quite tiny, as you can see. That's got 3 inserts in it. I've got one on the first elastic, one on the second elastic, and then this one slipped into the back pocket. And look at that, there's still plenty of room for more stuff in there. And this will just slip into my bag with my flute, my tablet, and some sheet music. And I will be ready, you know, to go on the days that I have to teach. Just throw it in my bag, and when I don't need it, just take it out of my bag and set it on the bookcase. So there we go, just a quick little order that I wanted to share with you from Pression. I will link Kane's store, Pression, down below, and I'll also link my Patreon if you want to check that out for some digital downloads in quite a variety of sizes. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!